Hello, in this video, I'll show you change your lock screen password on an Android phone using the latest 2026 method. Whether you want to improve your phone's security or simply replace your current password with a new one, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process quickly and easily. To begin, go to the Settings app page. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding Settings in your app drawer. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Depending on your Android version or phone brand, this option may also appear as Lock Screen or Biometrics and Security. Next, scroll until you find Lock Screen and tap on it. Then select Screen Lock Type. For security reasons, your phone will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current PIN, password, or pattern. This ensures that only the device owner can make changes to the lock screen settings. After verification, you'll see several lock options, including PIN, password, and pattern. Choose the option you want to use. If you're changing to a password, tap Password, enter your new password, and then tap Continue. Re-enter the same password to confirm it, and finally tap OK or Confirm to save the changes. Your new lock screen password is now active, and you'll need to use it the next time you unlock your device. That's it! Your lock screen password is updated. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks for